Guys, welcome back. So we use the quick receipt app to generate a receipt. Now I want us to use it also for an invoice. We have difference between a receipt and an invoice. Receipts are mostly given when a product is sold or a transaction is done, but invoices are generated across a transaction, or generated in effects of a transaction. So when we open the app, we'll come to the first column was the receipt. The next one is invoice. We will choose invoice. The invoice 2, we have business details, which is tech savvy, which we already have, so we don't need to do anything there again. I don't know why this machine keeps kissing me. Okay, then the customer details. So I have George already in my system, so I'm going to use that. Remember, anytime you transact any details with a customer, that you have, the system keeps it. So the same way, you can also choose to add customers, but I would prefer to be entering them one after the other and they build up. So I use George and I go to add product. I'm giving the person an invoice towards a pen drive that they want to buy. So I put it there. Now they're asking me, maybe they came to make enquiries for cost of an invoice and the quantity. So this time they're buying it from their staff. So they need 25 pieces for their workers. So I put it there, save. Now then am I going to add new products? Maybe let's say product name. You need memory card. So 128 gig memory card. Selling price 50. Quantity, they need 50. So I add it. So this is the entire things that I have. Now, am I giving them discount? Yeah, I'll give them some discount because this time around there's quite a lot. So I'll give them a discount of 10%. So it shows. Sorry, 10 cedis. Or maybe I'll give them a discount of 50 cedis. Okay. So instead of 4,375, they'll pay me 4,325. Now we'll come to optional fields. Currency is cedis. Receipt number. Do we like the way it is written? Let's assume we want it that way, or we want to add some features. Then we'll go. The date. Now the invoice date, it was given today. Okay, either today, or if we want to change it, we go there and change. But I want to make it today, and then let's look at something under payment due. With invoice, is subject to a future payment. So when is this payment due? Now I'm going to give them till a week. What it means is that after 1 week, if they are unable to make this payment, then the likelihood that things can change. Either there could be price increase, or there could be a discount. How do you call it? Revoked. Okay. All right. So here they ask additional comments. So I can say invoice is valid until 30th September 2022. Invoice is valid on the 30th September 2022. So now we'll come to generate invoice. So you see, generate invoice, there are options. Color, like I said, we can choose if we want. Then we'll come to the star. This is it. You can choose how you want the invoice to look like. Okay, this time I want to save it as image. It's saved. Okay, I want to have a look. Go to invoice and it's there. Okay, this is the old receipt. So this is it also in generating invoice. Very simple for any starter, beginner or professional to use. So you use the quick receipt to generate your receipt and invoice at the same time. So thank you, and this is what we'll be doing under the finance tool.